Hello students, this is V. Srinivas, Department of Computers, working in SRR Government Arts and Science Degree College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss the topic is uh, operating system in this and Windows and Sun Solaris multi-user operating systems. So already previous classes we discussed by and definition of operating system and types of operating system, so and the advantages and the disadvantages and what is the main memory locations and the memory management system. So this type of topics already discussed by previous classes. Just especially this is the multi-user operating system Windows and Sun Solaris. What is the difference between the operating systems and both are advantages and disadvantages, so which discussed in this class. So Digital Planet, tomorrow's technologies and you, this is the software and the basics. So the categories of software, so it is divided into two types: system software and the application software. The compiler and the translators programs enables enables the programmer to create the other software and software applications and serves as the productivity tools to help users and solution of the problems. So this is the software of applications. What is software? Software is the set of programs. So program is the set of instructions. Just with what is the for example, we take the software. Different types of software application softwares are there. Just like the hotel management and the MS Office and the SQL structure query language. So these are the different types of application softwares and the system software coordinating the hardware operations. So hardware is the physical component of computer is called hardware. So this is the coordinate and the hardware operations and the system applications and the system software. So the translator programs and the enabled programmer to create other softwares. So these are the categories. Two categories are there: system software and application software. What is the software? The definition is it is an interface between the system and user. So without software, we cannot use the computer. Just like the importance of the fuel in the bike. So without fuel, the it is not to drive. We cannot use the vehicle, two-wheeler or four-wheeler. So it is the importance of the fuel. Just like it is the software is the operating system is the most important software of the. It is the interface between the system and user. So it is the two types divided by system software and application software. The language of computers. So every computer, the processor instructions in the machine language and the numeric codes used to represent basic the operations and adding and the subtraction numbers. So and the comparing of the numbers and the moving numbers and the repeating instructions. The programmer use high level languages just like C++, comma, Java and etc. So these are the different types of high level, low level and the middle level. Two types of languages are there. So this is the high level language C++ and Java. So this is the and every computer process instructions is the machine language. So it is the most important of the machine language. This is the numeric codes used to repeat the basic operations. So just like what is the repeat operations? So adding subtractions. Just like the computer is the central processing unit and the ALU arithmetic logic unit. That is the main important of the arithmetic logic unit to and the create. So it is changes between the, just we take the one example. A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B. So C is equal to what is the answer? It is the plus addition of two numbers available in the arithmetic operations, the addition of two numbers. So this is available for the CPU central processing unit. The first one, the arithmetic logic, and the control unit is there. This is the control all the activities of computers. And the memory unit, this is the primary and the second storage. Two types of memory is there. So and the comparing numbers and the moving numbers and the repeating instructions, the programmer use high level languages, so C++ and the Java etc. So every computer process instructions in the machine language, the numeric codes used to and the represent basic operations, the adding and the subtraction numbers and the comparing numbers and the moving numbers repeating instructions. The consumer applications and the disclaimer and the end user license and agreement and the EULA, they protects companies from the errors in programs and the licensing, the buy software license not program and the distribution by the direct sales of the download from web. So the consumer applications. This is the licensing by software by the license, not a program, and the distribution of by the direct sales are download from the website. And includes the public domain, the software and the shareware. So web applications, the growing trend toward and the using applications that run on the remote internet and the servers and instead of the local PCs pro, and Google Docs and webmail of programs, Gmail, Hotmail and Yahoo Mail. So wikis, the Wikipedia, online communications and the Facebook. So the web applications, what is web? The web is this is the websites available in the market. Why different types of websites are there? Just like we take the Shatavana AC.in and Kaveri University and Usman University, these are the different types of universities are maintained by the different types of websites. That is the web application. Growing trend of the towards using the applications that run on in the remote internet. So internet is the network of the networks is called internet and the servers instead of the local PCs. So for example, we take the Google Docs and the webmail programs and the Gmail, Hotmail and the Yahoo Mail. So wikis, the Wikipedia and the online communications, uh, Facebook. Next one, the system software. The hardware is the software connection and the system software class of the software that includes the operating system and the utility programs and the handless and the low level details and the hundreds of other tasks behind the scenes, and the user does not need to be the concerned about the details. What the operating system does. So every computer depends on the operating system, because without operating system the computer it cannot be worked. So keep the hardware running efficiency and the maintains file system support and the supports the multitasking and the manages virtual memory. The operating system runs the continuously and when the computer is on. And the utility programs. So the program is the set of instructions. So different of programs are available in the C, C++, Java. These are the different types of programming languages. Serve to tools for the doing systems and the maintenance and the repairs not handled by the operating systems. And the utilities make it the easy for the users to copy files between the storage devices, repair damaged data files, and the translate files so different programs can read them and guard against the viruses and the other harmful programs. The operating system, when you turn on the computer, the central processing unit, the automatically and begins and executing instructions stored in ROM read-only memory. The operating system OS and the loads from the disk into the part of operate the system's memory. So in this the operating system available for the different types of applications. The applications and the disks. This is the compact disk. CD means compact disk storage area 700 MB and the DVD type. Different types of CDs available in the market and the RAM. This is the one of the slat here. See this is the RAM and the 2 GB, 3 GB RAMs available in the market and the OS apps. So operating system utilities applications and the CPU central processing unit. Here this is the desktop monitor and these are the applications. This is the desktop. So this is the monitor. So these are the operating system. When you turn on the computer, the CPU automatically begins and the executing of the instructions stored in the ROM and the operating system OS the loads from the disk to the parts of system's memory. So the operating system uh, count contain and the OS loads the application program into the memory and the remains in memory, so it can provide the services to the application program and the display and the screen and the menus they communicate with the printer and they perform other common applications. So here you see the different types of apps and the Unix and the Linux. So these are the both sides different types of the operating systems. Both are very secured and containing with the very useful of the Windows. Unix is the Linux line and the character-based operating system. Character-based operating system and the internet is the populated with the computer running Unix and the OS of the choice for the workstations and the mainframes in the research and the academic settings and favored by the many who require and industrial strength and the multi-user OS operating system. The Linux and the Unix uh, clone is distributed and supported free and the compatibility issues. The operating system are designed to run on the particular hardware platform. So the operating systems are designed to run particular hardware platforms. So the cloud applications, these are the different types of cloud applications. Windows app and the Mac app, Linux app. So these are the cloud applications and the Windows operating system, Mac operating system, the Linux operating system. These are the different types of operating system. Operating system are designed to run on the particular hardware platform and applications are designed to run on the particular operating systems. Most cloud and applications are designed clouds or applications are designed to run on the multiple programs. So compatibility uses the operating system are designed to run on the particular hardware. So the cloud applications, the Mac operating system is called cloud application and this is the Linux also. These are the three different types of operatings are called cloud applications. And disk formatting, the hard disk are the formatted and manufactured before the installing operating system. So the hard disk, the disk drive, the disk formatting, just like we take the hard disk is the 500 GB 1 TB disk available in the market. So before installation, after the hard disk is divided into the parts, the partition is the, so the 500 GB hard disk, 100 GB 100 GB hard disk divided to use it to the different types of the C drive is the operating system installed automatically. So DEF is the personal, the user and the user personal softwares and applications also they installed, and the electronic marks are put on disk, and the disk is divided into the series of and the concentric tracks. The tracks are divided into sectors, and the sectors are bundled into the clusters or the blocks. The file system provides way to and link multiple the clusters to store large files. So defragmentations. What is a defragmentation? The contents of the file may become this scattered over cluster. So here see that this diagram is there. The fragmentation user file and the defragmentation user file and the cluster and the result. So this is the fragmentation. So these are the different types of colors. This is fragmented and the defragmentation of files. Before defragmentation and after the defragmentation, the cluster reserved for the operating system. So in this, the contents of files may become the scattered over the cluster. Accessing of the information is the faster if file is the assigned to the ultimates and the fragmented files, and the software piracy and the intellectual properly loss. So the software piracy and the legal duplication of the copy copyrighted software is rampant, and the few software companies use the physical copy protection methods, and that they makes copying easy, and the many people unaware of loss, and the other simply looks the other ways. This is the software privacy and the intellectual and the property loss, the piracy problem. So software, the industry losses and the billions of dollars. So because every year the software uh, pirates. So the pirates and the business software alliance and the BSA is estimated that the more than one third of the software in the use illegal copies. So that is the illegal means that is the copy and the usual for the one CD to another CD and the easily install the operating systems. So this is the not legal. It is the illegal usual for the operating system CDs, and the piracy is particularly hard on the small companies, and the industry organizations work with law and the enforcement and the agencies to and crack down on the piracy. MS Publisher. Let's look at the first application, the software, and that we need to and understand for this course, and the Microsoft publishers on the PCs in the Roman, and if you want to use it at home, and you can be find free trial software downloads. So operating system and application software. So operating system application software, here the application software and the operating system hardware. So it is the interface between the operating system and the drivers. So it is application software and the hardware. Hardware is a physical component of computer. Application software, the this is the user defined, available for the different types of softwares. Just like we take the examples, the MS Office, and the next one Java software, and the C programming software, and the hotel management software, railway programming software. So these are the different types of softwares. So OS and application softwares, the software components. So it is the software components are the applications. So what are they? The operating system and the APL, application program interface. So file management and the input output drivers and the network module and the kernel. So memory management and the resource scheduling and the program communication security. Here user and the user interface and the application programming interface. So file management system and the kernel, input output drivers, network module, the hardware and network. So user, so here the user is the application of program used for the different types of programs, and the user interface, the application programming interface, and the file management system, kernel, input output drivers, and the network module. So hardware and network. The applications of the operating system, API, application program interface, and the file management, input output drivers, network module, kernel, and the memory management system, resource and the scheduling, the program communication security. So what is an operating system? The operating system and the handles uh, the process and the task management and the interrupt and the exception, the handling, the uh, memory addressing and the management, the process scheduling and the synchronization, file system, and the examples of the operating system, single user and the single task, the palm of and the single user single task MS Windows and the Mac operating system, multi-user multitask and the Unix Windows Server 2003 and 8, and the device drivers. So a device driver is a computer program and which allows higher level the computer. So the programs in the interact with a hardware device. So drivers and hardware dependence and the operating system specific. They usually provided the interrupt handling requested for any necessary asynchronous and the time dependent hardware interface. So a device driver and simplifies programming by the acting as an abstraction and the layer and between the a hardware device and the operating system that use it, and the drivers are the usually written by the companies, and that the development the hardware or by the others for free operating system like Linux. So these are so this is the device drivers. A device driver is the computers the program which is allows higher level the computer programming to interact with the hardware, so devices. And the next one, DOS. This is the Microsoft Disk Operating System. This DOS introduced by the IBM company Disk Operating System. This is the full form, and in the 1981 later many versions are like MS DOS 82 1982 by the Microsoft were the introduced a text-based operating system. This is the text-based operating system, and all those type of operating systems are run on the machines with the Intel x86 and the compatible central processing units, and mainly the IBM PC and the compatibles. So DOS is the single user and the single task operating system with the basic and the kernel functions that are the and the non-rentarent only on the program at that time can use them. So this is the DOS is the single user operating system, and in this available for the two types of internal commands and external commands. So DOS consists of the two parts, the kernel and the command com, and which is command interface. So the DOS kernel provides the various of the functions for the programs, likely displaying of the different types of these DOS commands, and the accessing of the disk files and the memory, etc. So command.com see the provides the cell or user and the systems commands, and the new Windows and the versions provided and the emulated DOS commands interface of the interface. So and the next one, Windows operating system. The Microsoft Windows has the significant of the majority. So the single user multi-user operating system available for the two types of commands, internal commands and external commands. The internal commands are automatically loaded by the operating system, and the external commands, so copy disk, check disk, these type of the external commands we use the cd to insert it by the data and the software and information to use the external commands. The internal commands are automatically loaded. So just like we take the one file created, the syntax is there. Syntax means the in the mathematics formula in the same the computers the syntax is the follow the instructions, and we get the final result. So the copy con and the file name some information. So after F6 or Control Z, so one files is the copied, so created by the one file. So how to see? So dir just first of all we enter into the in the search button, search box, we follow the command, and automatically the C drive will be displayed on the screen. We write down the we write the dir. So enter press enter, automatically all files will display on the screen. So copy con file name, some we write the for example we take the one example, copy con srr. So and some information, it is the ID college in the Telangana region. So it is the enter after file created with dir entered. So before entering of the file available for the 99 files, so after entering this file srr file available for the 100 files, so in this 100 file is we edit and so rename the information and copy the information. Copy means one file to another file, so we copy the information, and automatically the information will be copy one file to another file. So DOS consists of the two parts, the kernel and the command com, and which is the command interface. So the DOS kernel and the provides the various functions from for the programs like displaying and the characters on screen, the reading characters from the keyboard, and the accessing disk files and the memory, etc. The command.com provides the shell or user and the system commands. The new Windows versions provided and the emulated DOS command interfaces. So Windows operating system, it is a multiple user operating system, and the Microsoft Windows has a significant and the majority of the markets. So share in the desktop and the notebook and the computer markets. So the Microsoft first introduced an operating system environments, the name of the Windows in the 19 November 1985 as an the order add-on the to MS DOS, and the response to the growing interest in the graphical user interfaces GUI graphical user interface. It was a 16-bit OS running on the top of DOS, the providing of the multitasking and the graphical user interface. The Windows 3.0 1990 and the Windows Work Group 3.1 and the 1992, they improved the design and the were 16 by 32 bits operating systems. The Windows 3.1 had the Internet Explorer and the Windows as the part of the operating system, and the later come the Windows 995 the and the 1995 Windows 98 and the 1998 and Windows Me and the 2000, which and were 32-bit operating system used the FAT the file system, and they supported the DOS also. And the next one, Windows operating system. So NTFS was introduced in the 1993 as the file system for the Windows NT and server, and it was later adopted as the fag fault default in the file system for the all later and the releases of the Windows client and server operating systems. So Windows NT 4.0, the 1996 was the popular server and the operating system which was the latter replaced by the Windows 2000, and the NT was the true and the multi-user and the multitasking operating system based on the NTFS file system. So Windows XP 2001, Vista 2006 and the 2003 and 2008 are all available in the 32-bit and the 64-bit versions. So the most recent of the client versions of the Windows is the Windows Vista, the most recent uh, and the server versions in the Windows Server 2008. So Unix operating system, these servers and the generally run on Linux or the other Unix like the systems, and the Unix was designed as a the multi-user and the multitasking operating system. The various of the priority Unix operating system like IBM AX and the Sun Solaris, the SGI and the IRIX, so HP and the HP UX etc., and the public domain operating system like the variants of the Linux are available. So today most of the popularity of operating system available free and for x86 platforms also. So Apple operating system, and the Apple introduced the Macintosh of operating system 1984, and which had the graphical user interfaces, and the various versions have come since then, and the current versions in the Mac and the operating system X 10.5 the Leopard, and the Apple operating system based on the Unix, the much like the BSD Unix, and so it has always been more and the robust and the faster than the Windows. So this is the very fast of the operating system, and the processor used to the Apple computers was the PowerPC, and until 2006 when they switched over the Intel platform. And the multiple operating systems, the multi-boot system, and the combination of the Windows and the Linux is the most popular, and the generally multi-boot and the system boots and into any one of the operating system at the time. The virtualization of the softwares like VMware and can be used to run and the multiple instances of operating system similarly on the same physical machines. And the bootloader, say the booting is the process that starts operating system when the user turns on a computer system. A boot sequence is the initial set of the operations that the computer performance when it is switched on. the bootloader and the typical loads the main operating system for the computers. The bootloader may be multi stages. So before the start the system automatically boot means self testing the. So and the after we start the program automatically self testing the computer, that is called booting. So booting process starts operating system when the user runs on the computer system. So the boot is the sequence is the initial set of the operations that the computer performs when it is switched on. The boot the bootloader and the typically loads the main operating system for the computers. The bootloader and the maybe multi stages, and in the desktop computers the boot process and the involves the running of system BIOS. BIOS, this is the basic input output systems followed by the second stage, and the bootloader like GRUB and the MGR and the LILO or the NT LDR, and which is located in the boot sectors of the boot device or the hard disk. And the Solaris operating system, Sun Solaris introductions, the operating system Unix Solaris and the Sun Microsystems. So in this the Sun Solaris operating system environment, the Sun Solaris operating system, the heart of the Solaris and operating environments, a collection of the software and the CDE, the common desktop environment, a collection of user the productivity tools, and available on the many different vendors and the workstations and the operating environments. The operating system design, hardware core and the hardware components, and the require management shell layer, and the primary interface between user and computer, the application layer, and the whole world processing and the spreadsheets and the database. So the this is the hardcore. The hardware is the physical component of computers. All the word processing, the just like we take the MS Office, MS Word. Uh, so spreadsheets means we prepare the different types of Excel sheets. So database means it is a front end and software front end and back end softwares. Database organized collection of related data, that is called database. So this is the operating system designs and the operating system designs, just like we see the how. So this is the hardware and the physical component of computers. The kernel, it is a bridge between the shell and hardware. The applications is the user programs called applications. And what is applications? So the binary compatibility mode applications, and the Solaris provides binary compatibility mode and the package for existing Sun Solaris and the programs 32-bit and the versus 64-bit applications. Solaris 798 provide 64-bit operating systems environment OSE, and the older hardware still and the only offers 32-bit OSE. The hardware requirements and the evaluating of the hard hard and where the requirements they determine if you have the enough disk space to they support the operating systems. The cataloging hardware and the requirements, and the pay close and the attention to the non-standard hardware so on your systems. The software requirements, core system supports and the end user supports and the developer system supports and the entire distributions. So user accounts, a collection of user accounts, a collection of defines user to Solaris system, the components of the user accounts, a name by the which the user is new to the systems, different types of systems, and a set of credentials and consists of a user and the identification number of group identifications, and the user account and the access list that the control ownership and the devices, and the location of the home, the directory, and the name of the command interpreted a shell, and the operation of the information. So user usernames, and each user account must be and assigned a name. This name is and the user to identify the account for the popular such as electronic mail and the logging into a machine. and the mail it is easy to for the people to recognize a user account name and the sending email and the transfer files and so on. So user IDs, so UID number must be and the unique for the each user account, and the UID must the number of must be between the machine on network, and the group IDs is assigned to each account, and the multiple user can be shared, and the GID numbers so allow access to other users and who share the same GID numbers. The first 100 GID numbers are the reserved to and assigned to special issues uses important and the powerful group IDs. And this is the Solaris innovations. What is the Solaris innovations? The major innovations of the Sun OS 4.x and the implementation of the network file systems, the open Windows 2.0 graphical user environment based on into X11, the open boot monitor, and the multi-processing server supports. The Solaris innovations, the major innovation of the Sun Solaris operating system 5x and the support for the symmetric multiprocessing of the up to 128 processors, open Windows 3.0 graphical user, and the environment and the open look and the network information service NIS, and the support for the static and the dynamic linking real-time kernel processing. So Solaris innovations, the compliance with the Unix 95 and the 98 standards, the support for the very large 2G files and the advanced value management and the standardized package and the administrations and the deployment of tools, and the importance of the NFS running over TCP, and the support for the advanced networking and the simplifying backup and the restore procedures. The summary: SOS is the based on Unix system, and the 5 we released the 4 and has the many and the unique and the powerful features. The Solaris operating system environment is the include 32-bit, 64-bit kernel, so allows the Solaris run and the multiple processor machines. The Solaris supports the multi-language applications. So, and the Solaris has the advantages to the binary system. One bit is called 0 or 1, one byte is called 8 bits. So the compatibility: Solaris has the kernel programming interface. Solaris supports the many tasks at one time. So Solaris provide the hierarchical file systems with the built-in security, and the shell is command interpreted to the programming language. Solaris allows to the user to establish the both pipes and the filters the command interface. Solaris system administrators have many different types of responsibilities, and Solaris has rich software, system software, and the development of the environment. So this information is taken by the operating system and the Windows single user and the multi-user operating system. So Windows available for the two, and it is a single user. The MS DOS is the best example of the single user. It is a command based, and in this available for the two types: internal commands and external commands. So multiple operating system is the Windows, and the Sun Solaris is the Windows is the it is available for the Windows 98, 2000 and XP. These are the different types of versions. So each and every version developed by the so advanced feature introduced by the so day by day. The present we are in the fifth generation of computers. So the old generation computers is the different, present computers is the different. So it is the present advanced feature systems are there, just like laptop, and this is the mobile also used for the just like in the internet browsing. So these are the features are available for the present situation. So and the oldest days present days common difference between the operating system will be and the introduced in the old systems, the present system compatible to the fifth generation of computers. So just like the mobile also compulsory operating system, without operating system mobile we cannot be used. So in the same the system and the mobiles and the laptops, these are the devices are installed by the operating system after we used for our personal uh, uses, and the application software, system software. So system run by the system software installed after. So after we use the user can use the application software. So system software and application software. The application softwares are so user defined. So user defined, user useful to the different types of using the operating system. So this is the Windows and the Sun Solaris operating system. Thank you, students.